Hey, hey, precious family. We thank God for another day. Today's one is simple. We're making tasty baked macaroni and beef casserole. Here are our ingredients: onions, ground beef, macaroni, cilantro, garlic, red crushed pepper, powdered onions, paprika, fresh tomatoes, tomato paste, jalapeno peppers, cream, some salt, cream cheese, 2 shredded cheese of your choice. I'm adding salt to the water and a little bit of oil. So the water is boiling, so I'm adding the spaghetti or macaroni. Okay, so I have my beef. Okay, now I add a little bit salt. Because of the cheese that we're going to add, you have to be careful with your salt. Black pepper, a little bit. And we add our onions. Now I'm adding all my spices: paprika, cilantro, powdered onion, garlic, crushed red pepper. I'm adding my jalapeno pepper. Okay, so my fresh tomatoes that I the marinade, yeah, and then the tin tomatoes. It's not tin, I made it. The tomato paste. So it's cooked already, ready to eat. So if you haven't watched that video, there's 2 of them. Please try and watch it because it's going to help you in your kitchen. And 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. I'm adding. You combine all together. The sour cream is 8 ounce, but it's not full container. The cheese, this one, the one I put in is a spread, and this one is a regular cream cheese for cooking. Okay, so I'm adding the cheese mix with to the macaroni. It's good to use your hand with the gloves, but mine is just a little bit, so I'll deal with it. get in the oven. Okay. Add your sauce. Okay, spread a little bit of the cheese on here. Hey, hey, hey. My bowl is... We'll make it. So I'm garnishing it. You don't have to do this. It's me. Hey, hey, hey. Parsley. Little bit parsley. I preheated my oven on 350. So ready for the oven. Okay. Let's see what's cooking. Wahala! Hey, look at the size. Thanks for watching.